Today this video is all about how to strip down Commander air pistol. This is a license-free air pistol. The issue with this pistol today is it's not firing properly. The piston seal is new, the breech seal is new. I'm going to check what is the issue. Last time we changed the spring. This is a spring that we changed last time. So I suspect this spring. I will also examine the piston seal inside. How is it? Let us strip down to check what has happened inside. This is a smooth bore air pistol. This is a smooth bore. This is a license-free air pistol. To open, we need to remove 2 screws in the either side and 1 nut in the bottom. This must produce approximately 400 to 600 FPS for the lead billet. After removing all the 3 nuts, just push it down and you will find 2 washers inside. This is a pistol assembly. So you have 1 retaining nut at the back. So let's open that. Just by gently tapping, the end cap should come out. This is an end cap which holds the spring pin here, spring retainer pin. So now it's time to take off the spring. I have cut down the 13 mm socket which will fit in here, which pushes the spring in, and I can take the retainer pin off. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it like this, push it down and push the pin out. And that's it. The spring guide is here. This retainer. And this is a spring that we replaced last time. We suspect the spring is not good. Let's take out the piston to check if it's in good shape. The piston is so tight, so I suspect it is either jammed This is a piston seal that we stripped down. So this is a piston seal. Seal looks good, not bad. So the problem is with the spring. The spring is not powerful enough to push the piston in. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to lubricate all these parts, the piston, the bore, and let me put back. Okay, I'll be using OKS lube for the spring and for a few internal parts. I'll be using a general white grease and a normal synthetic oil, a gun synthetic oil. First I'll be putting a bit of gun synthetic oil, a general grease around the piston seal. So after applying grease and lubricant, let's fit this in. And the piston is inside. Now lubricate with the OKS spray. Now we can put back the spring guide this way. I'm not using any special tools, just hand is enough for this tension spring. And that's it. So this tool helps easily fit in the spring. Now put the end cap in. Put back the screw. Now we can put the grip back. Don't over tight because these are wooden material. Now it's ready to fire. Let's do a target testing of the Commander pistol. So that's it I have for today. Do subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and thank you for the support and likes for the video. Thank you for watching. This is all about Commander air pistol. It's a license free pistol in India. Thank you.